Is that a homemade gun?
This is blue lightning.
Wait, it shoots lightning?
Yeah, I shoot lightning.
Can we shoot that into the water?
It's spiritual. You go and charging.
It's a spiritual computer chip, a crutch pipe.
Yeah. This is a switch.
Blue lightning given to me by Moses
Moses. I'm Moses.
in Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah. I'm Moses. The world know me.
No free spec, Moses. So does this actually shoot lightning?
Lightning, straight. Blue lightning.
Blue lightning.
Don't point at me.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Monster used to walk this earth before man.
Okay.
Monster can walk earth again?
No, they'll die.
No.
They'll
Monster still walking earth. Elephant are monster.
Giraffe?
Giraffe, they are monster.
What about humans? We ruin the earth.
Yes, you have some human. The Prime Minister, he's just up to work for the devil, right?
Okay.
You know. But time will come.
What the f just happened?